Welcome to Goyum. 3 ton per day black cumin seed oil extraction plant installed in Ethiopia by Goyum. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.